everyone, it's Joe with my things to do. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. If this is your first time visiting, well, welcome. I post fun DIYs and easy to make recipes. Stick around for a while by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap that bell notification when it pops up. YouTube will let you know every time I've posted a new video. In today's video, I am making what I call my back-to-school red wagon. It is perfect as a fall decor, or any season actually. You can just change out the flowers, add fruits, vegetables, add fruits or not add fruits. It's just beautiful sitting there and so easy to make. So come along with me and I'll show you how I made mine. Here are some of the supplies I picked up from Dollar Tree. A brownie pan, 2 packs of the metal tins that are magnetic on the other side, a spoon ladle, and some floral, which I'm not showing right here, but I did buy my floral from there as well. To paint my wagon, I use the Krylon red. I only painted the top and sides of this because I don't need to paint the underside, obviously. And I love how quickly this can get painted, and because it was so hot outside, it dried in less than 30 minutes. For my wheels, I used black Krylon paint, and just like the wagon, I only did the sides and top. I didn't have any hay, but I did have Easter filling left over, so I painted that with as well. Everything was dry. I brought it into the house to finish up some things, such as painting spokes on my new wheels. I used white and a silver gray color that I bought from Walmart. You can get these for $2 for $1. And I'm not very good at drawing or painting spokes, apparently. They all looked a little different from the other, but it turned out in any case. The angle of my camera makes it a little bit impossible to see me painting the spokes on the wheels, but you'll be able to see what they look like just as soon as I move them off to the side. I did use the bottom of my sponge paintbrush to put a white dot in the middle just to make it look more like a wheel. At least I think it looks like a wheel. And I painted the circle around the outer edge of each of them, again, just to make this look as spooky as possible. Is spooky a word? Well, we're making it a word now. So, spooky. After I got my wheels done, I decided then to go ahead and take the red wagon itself and place what would be the wheels on the red wagon. The magnet on the other side does make it stick, but I wanted to make sure that it held on there even after I was finished, so I did add a little bit of glue to just the part of the wheel that would go onto the wagon itself. Set it aside so I could work on the handle of my wagon. I did find a black serving spoon to use as my handle, but it had red on there, and I didn't want the red to show actually. So I just used my twine and added that a few rounds to the bottom where the red was, and then also to the very top of the handle as well, covering that up completely. Once I had all that done, I just used my scissors to cut off some of the hairs from the twine and then glued my spoon onto the bottom of my wagon. It fits perfectly. You don't even need a whole lot of glue. Just put that around the spoon part and hold it down for just a few minutes. Well, not even a few minutes, a few seconds. And there you go. Wagon is ready. Now it's ready for me to fill up with everything else. But before I filled up, let me put my hubcaps back on. For added protection, I did put some glue around the inside of my lid so that it would stay closed on, onto the wheel itself. And I did that, of course, to all four wheels. And once I was finished with all of that, then I could go ahead and get the floral foam and put that on the inside of my wagon. So here we go with the floral foam. I cut it in half so I could use, wouldn't stand up over the wagon itself, and just put it around. Remember the Easter stuff that I sprayed? Well, here it is. Some of it's still green, some of it's still yellow, and some of it did turn out to be that tan color. Added my succulents, and then I went ahead and filled the rest of it in with my fall florals that I got from Dollar Tree. And here is the end result with fruit. Since I did say it was back to school, I thought it'd be cute to add some apples in it. I think it looks cute with the apples. Of course, these are real apples. I wouldn't normally use real fruit in that, but I did it just for show. I did also rearrange my flowers to show what it looks like on my desk table now without the fruit inside. And this is how it's sitting right in my entranceway when you come in. I think it's beautiful. I love that it makes a fall statement as soon as you walk in the door. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Today, my thing to do is to make what I call my back to school red wagon. Make it your thing to do too. Bye.